come and fix their mess. So you don't tell us they were there for 8 years. What does that mean?
Abuza from Mamu na makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin Chankra, Mommy Uncle, the Uncle video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President.
Come and fix their mess. So you don't tell us they were there for 8 years. What does that mean? The
economy was in intensive care unit. The economy now was saying, no, Yentimi shase there Yenska Dekoshe or friend them health infrastructure. Wabra Ibanto Wabra inflation. Wabra Yakwa Amananumpa no Wapamian. There Yentim Digwa Wamanane. Of the name the Yenska Samno on yet. This is the reason why we have not had enough money to put into health and other sectors.
Okay, so now the focus is to rebuild the broken economy in your own words, right?
Exactly.
And then
once we are able to see, I will be away. Now for the penalties one, a bit of this one. This is how our own businesses are. When you are building, you first have to make sure that you stabilize your business, and after the business, you cannot siphon money for other matters.
Oh, okay. This year, when the economy is back on its feet, then we can tackle health infrastructure, right?
Yes, the health sector is affected by the economy that we inherited. We are on the right course. Everybody is saying that we are on the right course. One there be some minority also by the economy is moving in the right direction. And so once we get to where we want, I believe that the Minister of Finance will respond adequately to the Minister of Health. Now need to read them projects and I'm thinking that this is just a matter of months or a year and not more than that.
Yes, media the man who the matter says a minimum percent as some will go to Don Mahama, Yaman Payin, near Busan say, Ghana Marano so, Edby, and now nip. As I say, and Kagana home. O my Musama Marana, just Ghana. Say, no Elano. I'm a master for one camera on my ente, because one, name my way company. Yaba John to a hinify, yet your 20 as a kind. I brought money come home, and we intimate you. But say, Nana more hunting. They say, at here, one man up review cardro, your betcham, your baby will say, your baby will say. Meanwhile, your was I say, I'm a masunina, baby, beyond tomatoes, your dear near my neighbor home by Obianco, we are dear, your conquer your bet the pan without complaint. Then nature say, say, police in Pong Quas, your uncle say, the charges no more the air no crown answer and no credit, ya bet the pan. It's immediately I'm a kind person beside your Mahama say. Mampanyine. So Ghana Mbrano Susan Bobi who bind your beer and assassin because men say Sanema Biase. One yet an anam. Ye complain the and chin papa. police ma ye mpo ma me say e tikuro ma ye ntimi koye complain because complain ya ye bro 7 ba akokura ni the police ya ba say ye de ndi ehia nti say oh mampanyin ne saka we ya mpese o kire na ehu say yes e ya mpa say man ne nsa hwa ase ne nsa ndi ase o ma ye hu
na MPP for o kan se ma fe no mo hope o kan na nka etie wa adwuma ni system ni mu o 24-hour economy ni say ekosen no unti dia no aka fa ho e fa flooding no dia no aka o minister for works and
ato force na ye ato force ye no a o ka so ni evidence o asem no ka no oni evidence but na ni abre because na dwen cha ne say obi akoye post ama e bia ato force that number 1 enti mame ka bibia be ma ato force ho aye hi aden ti mu ade mu ye mu hinti ya mamo in a minute the American Magana 42 ni NDC mu amu aban mu mate mu ho ase ne say there is a man called John Dramani Mahama and he is the president of the land ni tumi na yen Ghana for ye de man no and 1.1% bi no de amamo Samun ni respect ma yen 32 million for na ya ka wa bonte na ye mu be say 6 million e kwa 7 million to abama president Mahama na more respecting me can say the power of our tomb Samun ni mu a obi wa hanu ma office otimu sisi ya no just 2 years ago no twam wa office wa o twam utimi na ni wani hwe ho ukọ ho a enye ye woni tumi bi ade kọ ho but today you are occupying that seat you have to remember that it is because of a name called John Dramani Mahama, who is the president of the land. Ghana for the to me, amano, and what panic a crabby. President in them was Yakoya so cry a chat or responding. I told our friend a crop fat, and the minister see, and your appointees see, oh, friend is said, Tierney. As a busy one, we are singing Naya de Aswawobo. And attention, who kwan or critical. I will call Refisa President Mahama crowd, and a young Hamino. And you a total disrespect to the president. Some president now we're interested to be crying to want to me hide in a cacampo. Supporters is crying to me hide it. If you are come a woman that could be out of any job. But it's like air overshadow a man now was a question. And people have relaxed. And no money are bring no multi free no more do pay. Hey, Massa.
Muzena down. Simu de bia ye kan ho asem oman we just yenim oman issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko ye no ma Dr. Bawumia e de na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me ye ma mo na busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is yenime because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, yeah, hospital and the go and no woman say. It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. It is a kind of candy was I would to me was oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals, most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitating me on the fund free seniors, most of my comfort. Is there any Ghana for debut? Na fe na tables na tani afi de mokeke mukaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. asofo no mo come into with asofo no with the greatest of respect omo come into na nkwa nyina ho chief imam for no come into nkwa nyina ho politicians ni come into nkwa nyina ho market women omo come into nkwa nyina ho obi an kana into nkwa nyina ye ho 2020 jua they will know the way forward yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete Nancy Bibi na kasa de sebi ye bibi ya nketenkete ya adwen nketenkete ye bibi ye bia invest square ye nketenkete we want everything in pieces we don't want everything in bulk adi asem kra ni obi ma credit scoring system also open nketenkete obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems you know most open nketenkete is enya mo de you people chose policy you people chose music over policy na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire Rajon Dramani ma so o mema was come to butu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se dabi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu ade na mo kam ye wo krom ha ya e Rajon Dramani mama ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de nya kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so kenye beto ba na ma bum mo to ba ma kinki government a etimi
Say the echo ye crowd em now to me who letter be a yoke for Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss hey Ramona Chapa ya hyping say where ye can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no or ye former staff Emanam one, which is never true. Onye Juma or da. And Onya Juma or hot da. I'm a number one for the first time. Number one I post. Oh yes, number one I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say oh, dependent boy.
Oh, sister, I'm not. Listen for the first time. Number one and quack baby aquadan and then number one. Yes. Not just say what's in Ukraine during say state institution. We are intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayaka, bro.
Problem ni nyina ne say
economy no kwa na eboa ye
problem ni nyina ne say papa or your council of state member or company to good a year before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good to me good kwa manone ano ne adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we me supply good no over 75%. Omo koso na se mentem ho ase ba wone nipa na oni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take omo statement ama o grant omo bi omo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiawo say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because you're a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fee on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the only unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old fediana afi the was by I say any mokra mo da mempemubium adwuma wura na ankasa na mepenache no. We invite na all my no issue document say we a fugitive. Jane. Tango. Personal attack as if say your office one and they use any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa. Me Martin Yama and Sabia. I don't want to talk about.
No, me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institution, sir. Oh, on Sano Huno, and no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NNC for my